Teardown has a whole bunch of glitches in it that I found, and I want to show you them. The first one is the flying glitch. It's really common in video games since when you pick up an object, the object moves towards you, and if you're standing on it, you will move away from it. But this will cause it to move towards you more because you're picking it up, and then it'll just like create a feedback loop where you fly into the sky. Teardown fixes this by making when the object is picked up by you, it no longer collides with you. Although, interestingly, if you spam the pickup button, you do still fly off, which is neat, I guess. But if you don't want to keep on constantly spamming the pickup button, you can stack two objects on top of each other, because when a object you pick up is, well, picked up by you, it still collides with other objects, although it doesn't collide with you. Although, it sort of does, but not really. So, since it collides with other objects, but not you when it's picked up, you just put another object on the object you're picking up, which that object on top of the object you're picking up will collide with you still, and it will complete the feedback loop and enable you to fly without spam clicking the button. And you can go pretty fast. It's hard to control though, as you can see, you're just sort of flying random directions, but you could probably control it if you were good enough at, I don't know, glitch flying. Now, here's another glitch that works with various vehicles. After entering it, you want to, well, destroy it. Like after, after getting it to the location you want, you destroy the shit out of it with bombs or whatever. Now, the thing about cars is they're kind of partially indestructible. I know it doesn't look like that, but like the frame here, no matter what, it can't be destroyed as far as I know. So what you want to do is like flip it upside down. Okay, just wait. Swink. Okay, this is going to be a bit interesting to do. There we go. Now, because with cars, you can enter basically anywhere when the enter key shows here, but when you get out in a fixed position, which results in stuff like this happening. You can literally like phase through the ground by, you know, destroying the car, having the invincible parts of the car upside down and getting in and getting out, and you can sort of like escape through the bottom of the map. It also works on walls. There's also another glitch which, well, lets you go through roofs by stacking bombs on top of each other like so. You're eventually going to get pushed through the roof like this, and, you know, you're in here now. Which is interesting. Another glitch you can encounter occurs in the void at the bottom of the map. Now, the void at the bottom of the map can be accessed using the car glitch. I mean, that's a forklift I used there, but, you know, it's a vehicle, so, you know, it's the same glitch. But, so, let's get to the area. Ooh. Wait. Ah, damn. So, we're here now. At the bottom of the world is an interesting place. You see, there's this invisible barrier where items, when hitting it, they just stop moving, like... see, it's about to move this plank, and zoop, stops moving. Plank, stops moving, but when I fall, you see, I continue falling through the void and just get teleported to the top, which is, I don't know, just weird. items don't fall through, but I do. It's interesting. I should also clarify, I don't think the fact that you teleport to the top of the map when you fall off is a glitch. That makes sense for when players get out of bounds. What I think is the glitch is the fact that items just freeze when they get to a certain depth below the map. That's just weird. I would have expected them to just get deleted, but oh well. So, I built a bridge all the way out here, and kind of just looks nice from this angle. It's not really anything new I'm showing, it just looks interesting. The fish aren't part of the game, it's a mod, but you know, it just looks nice with the fish in the sky. I mean, they're in the water, but like, because we're under the map, it looks like they're in the sky. It's just, I don't know, really interesting liminal space-ish kind of place with pretty fish and beautiful open sky. Kind of like reminds me of Minecraft Skyblock in a weird kind of way. I don't know. This place is just extremely pretty in a weird broken liminal way, I guess. I wonder, can I? Yep, I can. Who needs fishing rods when you can just frickin' shoot them? Wait, they're upside down. Actually, maybe not. I'm not entirely sure. They're probably... Hello, endangered fish. Goodbye, endangered fish. And they're just like casually swimming with the corpses of their friends. I won't shoot you, you're pretty. Wait, can I shoot the boat? Yep. The items sort of just go straight down. Wait, what happens when they hit the bottom? Yep. They just do that. I wonder if the fish guards do that. There's the fish. Nah, they just float to the top. But like... the boat items... when they start falling... Wait, where'd they go? Oh, they must have despawned because I looked away from them. Like, small items in the game, or small fragments, despawn when you look away from them. Like, oh no, they just fell from the map. Never mind. You know, I guess that's all for this area. So with that extremely weirdly pretty place and all those glitches, that concludes the video. So goodbye for now, or forever.